All right. What is up, guys? Day 95 of coding every day until I get a job. Every day until I get a job. Oh, I had to open it on my phone because I'm in my house. As you can see, no longer in my dorm. So I finally finished finals. I had my last test today at 12. It was like a systems class. And I think I did pretty okay, given the circumstances. But now that I'm done with that, I have I'm on spring break now, essentially. And I have a 5 a.m. flight to my grandparents' house in Florida tomorrow, which is why I'm doing a kind of earlier stream today. And it's going to be quick because I need to pack and I need to go to bed, in that order quickly, because I have to get up at 3:45 or 3:30, which is not very fun, especially because the sleep schedule that I am on is really bad, just simply because of all the projects and stuff that I've had to do. It was a long week, to say the least. We got through it. Very happy with the majority of the outcomes of what I got done this week. It was very, very productive. So enough yap, because I only probably have about 10 minutes. I'm thinking no leap code today just because I'm not feeling it. I'm going to last time and then nufood. In our weekly items, we now return this array, or more like a mapping of Elder to the dining things of Elder. What's up, Lee? So I'm going to try to figure out some front end for that. Any news for job? Not really. Both of them are just in the waiting portion. I did reach out to the one in Chicago though, and linked my channel because I completely forgot to talk about that in the interview. It was only 20 minutes, so it's reasonable. It slipped my mind. But I'm very proud of this, so I emailed him, or my interviewer. What's up, Five? Okay, so I'm imagining it's because we're getting some null data here. Yeah. So let's go into daily items. Use data store. We're gonna have to change a lot of types. A lot. Good luck, thanks, man. Because weekly items now comes in. Yeah, that default is still fine. Where's data state? The interviews go, they went pretty well. I'm definitely not upset about how any of them went. Yeah, no complaints. I'm in the portion of I finished both of the final rounds, so we're at the waiting game, which is never the most fun, but hey, it's out of my hands, so if it goes well or it goes bad, I'm fine with either outcome. Okay, so weekly items is now going to come in not like this. It's going to be another mapping. When you get your first internship? Last year. So summer going into my second year at university. It was at a startup through my university. Beckman, you've been grinding. Hopefully, if I have. Thanks, man. I hope so. This should change to the web app code. Yeah. Weekly items map is I'm gonna keep that name, but we're gonna do key string goes into this, which is going to be so now in here, weekly items will have, actually that's gonna remain the same. Yeah, this is good, okay. So now once we get this state, I want to console log it. I want to see if I need to change anything in here. I don't think so. So we'll go into daily items. It's a web app for, it's called the nufood. It's one of my larger projects for the places on my campus. Like I go to Northwestern, and we have like dining halls, but the app to like find where dining hall food is like it's super slow and sucks. So I remade their app, given their data. Okay. Okay, so weekly items is now working. Very cool. Is it? Yeah, it's working. Yeah, okay. So how do we set our daily items again? Yeah, okay. So it's now no longer an index. It's needs to be in this format. How do you use that? It's an UFM. So how does a new date format here? New date dot. Okay, so that's not what I want. So what do I need? It's year, month, day, to date string. Okay, so actually I can yoink a lot of this. Okay, so that should be able to work. Okay, yeah. So we want this instead be daily items to be weekly items map. Or no, it's daily items map. Integrated payment gateway? What do you mean? For YouTube or for like on the site? Daily items.filter is not a function. Okay. Yeah, because we need the array. For web app? I mean, it's a free app. I have like a thing if people want to donate to it, but for like support this project. But no, it's free. Or unless I'm misunderstanding your question, in which case I apologize. Okay. So now I have them in the formatted thing that I wanted. So I'm gonna have to change. A lot of them are just work on it, assuming that it's an array. So I'll have to first loop over. Filter. No, it's a map. I completely forget how to do this. I haven't done TypeScript in quite a bit. How to over maps values. I mean, I'm assuming it's just like the object values thing. What is entry set? The computer's like killing itself. Oh, okay. I was expecting the typical TypeScript thing of like have some random dot filter or something. Is it just dot values? Okay. Const, wait, what? But my daily items is a map now. Why does this not work, bro? Oh, there you go. What's up, John? I think this is just like the spread operator, but I've done like so many different languages in the past like week. I'm dying out here. Okay. Okay, so what I'm doing very badly, simply because I haven't used TypeScript in a little bit, I like JavaScript in general, is I changed it to be a map for weekly items of like map of the day to another map of like each dining hall maps to like the items that the dining hall has. But to get the favorites, I like have a user preferences thing. And as the user preferences changes, I need to like dynamically iterate over what daily items are available and check the favorites. Use effect is usually a bad idea. I think it's fine here because it needs to happen on change, like on mount. I have props for this component. I don't think anything. It just happens based on fetched information. Dude, my brain is such a fucking brain fog. Why is this like not working? Like just looping over values. It's like. Okay, I should have just done that. What's up, guys? Let's see the Ben 10 plus J9 combo. You push so I can look at it. I mean, it's mostly all the same code that is on the nufood. Go for it, though. I will warn you, I'm probably not gonna like accept any pull requests or anything from for this project specifically, just because it's more of a personal project. Okay, I kind of don't understand this, because daily items should have this as its signature, which should have a key and a value. I go over the values, and the values should be arrays. And then I want to call filter on each array. I'm not too sure. Because all of these are calling like the values method, but like when I do that, this expression is not callable. Type daily item has no call signatures. But like, why doesn't it work like there's an array of arrays, and then for each array in the larger array, I want to run a for each. I'm gonna do the thing that I usually don't, but I'm tired tonight and I just want to get this done. Like, I just have like, I guess, a fundamental misunderstanding of this. Because I really thought that I could go over the values. So I have to map it. Okay. I guess that makes sense. Yeah, because I do need them. Okay. Okay. Syntax. Whatever. And then. This is still yelling at me, though. I think it's giving me the same is not callable thing. Dude, literally. To specify it here? Like, how can it not infer that type? Bro. Let's try this one. Dude, this is awful. This is so bad. What the fuck is happening? Sure. Fuck it. Fuck it. Like literally the most asinine thing just happened. Just tell me I can get a favorites right now. Christ. New curly blaze for the flat map? Real? Is that real and true? This isn't a curly brace. You take more than one line for a callback, yeah? Bro. I'm too tired for this shit. You don't trust me? I trust you with my life at this point. So you're saying like this? Or like where were the curly braces? Or like curly braces instead of these? Because both of those are yelling at me quite a bit. After the arrow, sure. Sure. Okay, why are these things empty now? Why does this log never happen? Dude, oh my god, I've already been streaming for 30 minutes. And I've done nothing. Dude, Jesus Christ, bad one. Bad. This is so hard to do on one monitor. Why is it not updating now? It's kind of what I don't understand. Okay, so it's filter is not a function. Why does this not return something actually? Got almost 2K, yeah, it's kind of crazy. It's all you guys though. I feel like my mistake was trying to do the JS thing of like dot values, dot flat map, dot filter. Instead of like just looping over it like a normal person. Type as daily item is like has these. All right, I'm gonna try to finish this literal one problem, and then I need to get off. This says or keep doing the go syntax. Yeah, I know. I'm assuming I need some aggregator in here. That's like what I'm assuming. I just don't know the syntax of that. I need like the aggregator thing. Okay, so it's because of the additional curly braces. Yeah. Sure. Sure. Why is it still not even getting to the point of like... Oh my god. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. Fresh cat, I did get a haircut recently, Shannon. All right. I'm losing my mind, and I have a flight at 3:45 in the morning. I wanted to stream for 15 minutes, and I streamed for 30, and I didn't even get anything done. I'm so sorry, but I gotta get off. I need to get off and go to bed because I have a flight in the morning. I appreciate all of you guys being here. This is like the weirdest stream, and I was very doing nothing, but I'm sorry. I'm like, I realized it's 10:15. I still gotta pack, and then I gotta go to bed. I will have a longer stream tomorrow though because I'll be at my grandparents' house with not a whole lot to do. So we'll get some stuff actually done for the first time, which is cool. No Violet, depends how fast I can pack. All right. Good night, guys. I will not miss my flight.